Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, y'all have been telling me you want to see what's in our memory box video. So Aaron and I did long distance for almost 2 years. So we have like memory boxes, I guess. And I don't think these were really intentional. Like we weren't like, oh my gosh, let's put it in our memory box. It was more just like, this is special. We want to keep it and look back on it for comfort when we were long distance. So we haven't looked through these boxes in a long time. Like, when's the last time you looked through yours?
Wow, like a couple years.
I think it's been at least since we've moved, and that's been a year.
Especially since I moved from South Carolina to here in Memphis. I hadn't looked through it in a couple years.
Yeah, so we're just going to go through it and see what we have and what each other kind of saved, because I really don't know, like, we haven't looked through it. So this is what mine looks like. It's nice and cute, and Aaron's looks like this. Typical guy.
It's been through a lot.
It looks like it's been through a shredder, but it's fine.
Yeah.
Full.
This is the original box. This is the first thing she sent me.
Yeah, I put little hearts in it. Oh, so cute when we did long distance. So the first thing that's in mine is the letters that we wrote to each other on our wedding day. These are, yeah, so this is the letter I wrote Aaron, 2 full pages. And this is the letter he wrote me. And he wrote my name on it, like my married name, because I read this like right before we went and did our first look, so that was really special.
I got a bunch of pictures in here. We got a bunch of, a whole stack of pictures.
Yeah, he just has random pictures.
Old Mississippi State.
Oh, remember this? This is when we went to the Grease sing-along.
Oh, that was cool.
And I remember we took all those pictures in downtown Memphis, and I remember I didn't like them because I forgot to wear mascara, and I looked like I had no lashes. Just random little letters.
I think this was Valentine's. That's when I was here,
Oh yeah,
right?
I gave you that. No, that was when I was at Mississippi State because me and Maddie did those.
Oh, yeah, she sent me this.
It was on a tackle box
Day.
full of candy.
Yeah. That was a good idea.
I am not an artist, so for me to even draw that was a big deal for me. Gosh, Aaron used to talk so different. Hey,
What?
pretty thing.
Oh gosh.
You're a Texas cowboy. Get her done.
Oh,
prom pictures.
Oh, she made me this too. A long time ago.
Yeah.
So that was
For
very
long
thoughtful
distance.
for long distance. Oh.
We used to like literally survive through mailing each other packages and like getting letters and stuff. Oh, this is when we went to look at apartments and we picked out the one we wanted on the back. I saved this.
Cool.
From Champion Hills. For my mom, it's a Valentine's Day card. He wrote, this is when you sent this to me in college because it says, I'm ready to move on with long distance as much as you do. I can't wait till we're done. Love, Aaron.
Yeah, no kidding. This is my first college football game I've ever gone to,
you
too.
saved that.
I even got the whole stickers are handing out.
That's
beat
cool.
Kentucky, and I think we did beat Kentucky.
Yeah, and is that the game that I got so sunburnt we had to go to the ER?
But I don't talk about that.
The first notes Aaron gave me, and it's coffee stained and ripped.
That's right. That was in school? I think that was in school, yeah.
This one's really old too. He just used to like write me notes all the time. And this thing Reed made me. Remember these? And my South Carolina shaped necklace. Oh my gosh.
She went to a church, and I started going to church and got involved, and I still have all the pamphlets of when she was there with me.
Oh, the
yeah.
What are they called? Bulletins?
Yeah, all the bulletins and things like that. I kept all those.
Look at Reed. I got his identikit card. Yeah, he drew me a picture of a deer taking a crap.
I also got a bunch of plain little things to put in your bags, like when we flew to see each other. I even got the boarding passes too.
So when I graduated from high school and we had to do long distance, he wrote me all these open when letters, like open when you're sad, open when you miss me. So this was the letter that he put with my, like the set of the letters, and it was like, sorry I didn't have this ready after graduation. Hopefully each one of these letters will brighten your day. If any of these letters won't help, just call me or text me. Love, Aaron. Oh, so sweet. I mean, and the rest, this is all open when letters.
I even got her high school, when she graduated high school, the commencement stuff.
Oh yeah.
All that.
Remember when you painted me all those canvases?
All the people.
That's when this was, you sent me this letter. You painted me this canvases.
Oh yeah, that was
and you
pretty
sent it
cool.
to me.
That was fun. Gave me something to do during the summer.
And he said, I am dating an MSU girl.
Drive.
God, I love you. That's what you put. Oh yeah, he did all these like because I said I would.
Here we go. Boom.
Oh, that one's
There's
the
her
heartbreaking
stack.
one.
Well, yeah, when she left.
Read some of it.
What?
Yeah, read just
I
a
don't
little
wanna read
bit.
this.
Read just a little bit.
I think this is a different one because remember you sent me with that on there, and you sent a scripture on it too. I know I have that in here somewhere.
Look.
I don't think those are the right ones.
No, that wasn't it. I thought that was the letter.
What is
The
this?
letter.
Did you send this to me? Oh, it's another letter on September 1st, 2014.
We wrote a lot of
Yeah.
letters, obviously.
Yeah.
A lot of because I said I would cards.
It was fun. We just like doing it.
Oh my gosh, so many cards.
Another plane pass. Look at
Aw, I found a letter from my dad.
that. I pretty much kept everything in here.
His little high school graduation. You put your graduation cap on a horse.
That's right.
Aaron.
Can we see that again? Yeah, that
Oh
horse.
my
That's a real cute horse too.
I haven't even made a dent in my box. It's just all letters. More letters.
Oh, I even got birthday cards too.
That was the first card I ever
that's-
gave you. That was for Valentine's Day.
Oh, it's for
And
Val.
I gave it to you with
Oh.
the baseball.
Yes, I remember. The baseball got chewed up or something. I don't remember what happened to it.
Just because we are 400 miles apart, it doesn't stop our love. Oh, you're so cute. He wrote me the sweetest letters, y'all.
I even kept receipts for your your Pandora charms.
Oh, yeah?
No,
Aaron kept everything, let's be
what
honest.
is this? Oh my gosh.
Like the open one letters the day before you see me. So I would read this every time, like right before he was about to come visit me. And we would literally have FaceTime dates that lasted just hours. Oh, here's a big letter from you. This one was a good one. You would literally take time and he would color hearts on my letters. And then put like our happy anniversary or happy 8 months. 8 months.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is all so crazy.
More pictures.
There's a lot of cards.
What in the world? Oh look, another boarding pass.
Graduation. Oh my gosh, prom pictures. My high school thing.
Here's some more of the
Bulletins.
Bulletins
Oh my gosh,
from
you
the
saved
church.
everything.
yeah.
Oh,
I love
here's
the church.
here's your graduation program.
Hey, that's what I'm talking
I
about.
saved yours too. Those are our 10 best memories together.
That's right. I even kept when she went to the hospital that day at the first game I went to. This is what they put on her wrist.
He
I
literally
still
was
have
like,
it.
"Let me have that." And he put it in his
I don't know
memory
why I still
box.
have that.
Y'all, like just letters on letters on letters.
More bullets.
Oh, here's a boarding pass. This was, oh, look at how old this is.
Oh, it's a movie ticket. Look at that. Finding Dory.
Oh, that was recent. That was like last
yeah,
year.
that was recent. Oh my gosh, look at all these
Oh my
bullets.
gosh, look at all these letters you wrote me, and they're all just like, I love you.
That's right. That's pretty good.
Oh yeah, remember you spelled amazing wrong and you scratched it.
That's
out.
right. Never write with pen.
Yeah, never write in pen. You
Look,
learned that.
that's
I just
so
keep
nice.
a lot of cards from like family in here too. Oh, here's another one. When I was going from. Oh, this is when I was coming back home. This is a sad one. Sad boarding pass. Oh, I
This
don't know,
one
this is
back for a
really-
car. And I still have it. It goes.
Oh my gosh, you
Oh.
have this slap bracelet.
It's too big.
Where did we get this?
That was in the back of your car.
Yeah, and you kept it.
I also had this picture, her senior picture, in my wallet for years. And
Yeah,
I
look
even
at the
have
writing on
scripture
the
written
back.
on the back.
Oh my gosh.
1 Corinthians 13, 6 through 8.
I forgot about all this stuff. You wrote me so many
Yeah, look at that.
letters.
That's such an old
Oh
picture.
gosh.
Bucket list. While seeing Kaylee.
Oh, read some of those.
Go to a donut hut. Get Coke slushy. That was some
All
good
of these
stuff.
pretty much involve food.
Movie night. Go mudding. That was fun.
That was fun.
Go on a picnic. It's too hot. It
I
was
don't
the
know if we
summertime.
did that. Watch sunrise, sunset, and then meet Granny Pete.
Oh yeah, me.
Oh
Granny
my gosh,
Pete.
number 17.
Beat Kaylee in basketball. Never could.
Never happened.
And look, it's her student ID from Mississippi State.
Oh my gosh, you kept that?
That's right.
How did you even get my student ID? That's crazy. You're done with your first day of college.
Here's the
Congratulations, babe, on making it to Mississippi State. I hope you've had a great day with your classes you love to take and having to sit through boring syllabus days. Be sure to text or call me or Skype me. I can't wait to hear all about it. Love, your cowboy.
That's right. Well,
Like-
I finished all mine, so.
That's just a fraction of my letters. I forgot you had some good stuff in there. I forgot about though.
Me too.
What's the one thing you think we did that made us survive long distance? Because it sucked.
I don't know if it's something that we did, but it's something that God did.
Well, yeah. I think it was just like, it makes you really trust each other because you don't see each other hardly ever. And like, we would go like 4 or 5 months without even seeing each other in person. So that's really hard. And I guess the like constant communication, like FaceTiming each other and stuff.
Yeah.
And just not giving up. I feel like that really helped.
Yeah, just not giving up. We almost gave up though.
We still struggled with it. It wasn't fun, but anything worth having is worth waiting for. And I think that was our main thing. Like, we knew we wanted to be together, and like, we just kind of made it work. And now we're married. I literally remember crying myself to sleep, never thinking this would ever happen. So
it's almost like fishing. The more you wait, the more patient you are, the more chance you have of catching a fish.
Fishing metaphor with Aaron. Now we have 3 dogs, so it's like it all went really fast because we got married in 2016. We started dating in 2014. So we literally did 2 years of long distance, and it sucked. But I think it's all worth it now.
Definitely.
And I never want to do it again.
Something we won't forget about. That's for sure.
It definitely isn't for everybody, but it was for us, and we made it work, and I think we did our best. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little video, just kind of seeing us go through our memory boxes and talking about a little bit of long distance. If you guys would like to see another video more focusing on like exactly what we did to get through long distance and like just more tips and advice from us, just let us know. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This was really fun just to kind of hang out and see what we have both been saving for so many years. So give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!
Wise men say only fools run